How to change the watch face in the Xiaomi Wear app. Step 1. Open the Xiaomi Wear app. Step 2. Click on the Profile tab and then select the Watch Faces option. Step 3. Select the local option to browse through watch faces already installed on your device. Step 4. Select the online option to browse through 110 plus watch faces you can choose from online. Step 5. Find your favorites and click to download them on your device. To change watch faces on your Mi Watch Revolve Active. Step 1. Press and hold the watch face to select it. Step 2. Swipe through all your local watch faces. Step 3. Click to select the watch face you prefer.